Okay, this is video 2 of the high efficiency furnace and air conditioning system that was installed in the previous video. Here's the completed version of what the system should look like and how it should operate when it's all said and done. Again, these systems are, every system, high efficiency, 80% or 90% are communicating or not, should all be designed based on the residential or commercial airflow of the space. Here we have the electronic air cleaner connected to the return duct side, where all the return is going to come through, go through that electronic air cleaner, to the heater that's been positioned right above the floor to give it the space that's needed for the proper duct design or airflow out. Here we have the condensate pump to remove all the condensate from the heater and or the air conditioner when required. Here we have as a 90%er, system's vented in a plastic PVC pipe that goes into a nice concentric kit, nicely hidden up in between the rafters, or actually in this case the joist in the basement, to the outside. As we can see, the return duct on the other side of the heater right there, running in the back. Air conditioning coil above the drain pan, into the supply trunk. It's all been fitted with dampers to balance the system for proper airflow. Here we have nice round metal duct for the humidifier that's hidden in the back here and is easily accessible. If anyone ever needs to get back there to repair or replace any parts or the pads, it's not ran with the cheesy, cheap accordion style duct that most guys use to try to cut their cost, and the stuff usually ends up becoming very brittle and no good. Here we have our duct work, return and supply, up to the second floor. As you can see here, the main trunk. And right here, we have a nice takeoff. This gives us a nice amount of airflow. Grabs that air right out of the duct system, takes it into the supply line, up into the house. So that's our system pretty much in a nutshell on the inside. Let's go take a look at the outside. Here we have the concentric kit that comes together into this nice little fitting out here. You can hear the heating system running right now. Not only does this exhaust the vent outside, but it also grabs fresh air from the back here, allowing for enough air to be used for combustion on the heating side. So that's it. Here we have our air conditioner, AC coil that's been worked on. As you can see, the system's been positioned properly on the pad, not hanging over the side. We have a little spacer, a little gap down here. We did use brick to properly level this, and not wood as the other contractor did. That's going to eventually erode and cause the pad to be uneven as that wood decays and rots away. Here we've lifted the pipe off the ground. As you can see, we've shortened our electrical line here, and we've shortened our low voltage line, as unlike before that was maybe roughly about 5 feet sitting out here on the ground. So everything's been redone the right way, and we got all of our holes sealed and everything strapped as it should be. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. And here's our homeowner, Sam. Sam, you have any words that you'd like to add about the work that we just did in the house?
Well, I'm extremely happy with Stan's work. We had a previous contractor come in, and Stan corrected all the issues that we had with the house. Him and his guys, they did good work, and I'm real happy with it. That's all I can say.
Okay. And what do you think about the airflow in the house? Does it feel different, more comfortable? Can you really tell the difference between what the air was doing before and what it's doing now?
It does feel more comfortable. I'm more confident that the installation was done properly as well. We were having problems with boards burning out inside the heater, and the problem was corrected. And you know, I'm more confident. I'm generally happy.
All right. Great. And what would you tell everybody out there? Would you recommend us, or?
Definitely get Stan to come and evaluate your home and design your system if you need it.
Yeah. Perfect. Great. Sam, thank you for everything. I hope you and your mother, and by the way, Sam is such a great guy. He did all this work for his mother. This is actually her house, and he's a talented young man. And Sam, you want to add your business? You want to say anything about your business? Because hopefully we can...
It's Rojas Tax Service. You can look me up at rojastax.com on the web.
There you go, people.
Yeah.
So if you guys are in the Camden County area and you're looking for a professional guy and a nice guy, very nice guy, like I said, he did all this work for his mother. And for those of you that want to see, this was all done. He redid this whole first floor in addition to all the HVAC system for his mother. So give him a call, and thanks for viewing our video.